cousin tablet. Let's play Girl Garden. Let's see what her fruits are. And we'll give it to myself. Yeah. What's this? Why are they scared of such candy? They're just jellies. Why are they scared of jellies?
Hello, all.
How do I pick games I'm gonna play Roblox? Go Garden! Let's see if she has a sugar apple. Does she have a sugar apple? Let's see. I'm playing my cousin tablet. Yes, I asked permission. Let's see how many shekels she has. Oh, her friend Peanut is here. I want to skip. 3 trillion. But why is there a gate? Maybe nasaan yung sugar apple mo dito? Ang dami mo kasing plant. Nasaan na yung sugar apple mo? Ito. Video natin. Sugar apple!
Ano sugar apple, oh?
May fuge din siya, oh. May fuge din siya.
Girl, parang ano pa daw gagawa mo?
Dati nang pinatingnan mo sa akin to, ang kunti lang ng plants mo dati. Ngayon may ember lily ka na? Bayan, sana all. Bili tayo seeds. Joke lang, gagawin natin yung daily task. Kung nakikita nyo, may gagawa ko lang yung daily task ko. Ayun, yan pa rin ba yung cosmetics? Ayun, may crafting. Care shop has been reset. Show me daily quest. No! Let's see if we have some pumpkin seeds.
Hopefully. Gosh. Yo.
Let's see if I have some pumpkin.
Diyan mo muna yung hindi ko madadala.
Pumpkin.